I saw the best minds of my generation destroyed by cynicism, youthful arrogance, and empty anarchist posturing, waving a tattered existential flag and firing a one-finger salute at the status quo, clutching their battered copies of Sartre and quoting Kafka, Camus and de Beauvoir, but ultimately believing nothing at all, chasing the dragon and drowning their demons with cheap piss and spewing their bile into early morning gutters, feeling the dawn through the chemical haze that curtained their reality, creatures of shadows, seeking company in the shared suffering of like-minded lost and angry souls, lashing out at a fucked up, uncaring world, frustration feeding their angst and paranoia, self-destructive fallen angels deluded by their own hubris, punks on the bandwagon to hell, repeating someone else's mantras, swallowed by the beast and shat out into this cesspool world. They could have been angels. They could have made better choices, but like sheep to the slaughter, the rebels sold their leather jackets and their souls, and soon danced to a conformist beat, swallowing the lies and bullshit of Mammon and Maya, and growing soft and selfish and compliant. The puppet masters had nothing to fear. Each generation has its revolution. Ours came and went and left me wondering, what the fuck have we become? Slaves kept in a comfortably numb state. Where are the lone wolves? Have we lost the will to howl?